Hello everyone and welcome to another video on our email help channel. Today, we will talk about combining Outlook, VBA and PowerShell to automate tasks in Microsoft Outlook. This is a powerful way to boost your productivity and automate many manual processes. But first, why should we combine Outlook, VBA and PowerShell? Here are some of the benefits they offer. First, increased automation. You can automate many tasks and processes that would otherwise have to be done manually. Second, advanced functionality. PowerShell provides access to a variety of functions and resources not available in VBA. Third, flexibility. You can work on a variety of platforms and systems and carry out processes that would otherwise not be possible. Fourth, easy to implement. Since both languages are already included in Microsoft Office, implementing a solution is easy and cost-effective. Fifth, increased productivity. By automating tasks and processes, productivity can be increased. Now that we understand why it makes sense to combine Outlook, VBA, and PowerShell, let's see how we can start PowerShell. PowerShell can be started on a Windows computer by opening the Start menu and selecting PowerShell or Windows PowerShell. On a Mac or Linux computer, PowerShell can be started from the terminal application by typing pwh. Now let's look at some examples of how we can combine Outlook, VBA, and PowerShell to automate certain tasks in Outlook. For example, we can create a VBA macro that runs a PowerShell script to count all emails in a specific folder. You can find the corresponding macro here. The code is linked in the video description. In this macro, we create a VScriptShell object to run a PowerShell script that counts the number of emails in a specific folder. Another example would be using PowerShell to get a list of contacts and using VBA to send an email to all contacts in that list. First, we open the PowerShell console and enter the following command to get a list of contacts in the colleagues category. After that, we go into Outlook, open the developer tools, and add a new module. Here, we enter the corresponding VBA code that will send an email to all contacts in the list. Finally, we run the macro and send an email to all contacts in the colleagues category. And that's it. As you can see, the combination of Outlook, VBA, and PowerShell provides a powerful and flexible solution for automating tasks and processes in Outlook. These were just two simple examples, but you can extend and adapt these techniques to automate a variety of tasks in Outlook. You can also find more VBA examples in our book, Outlook, VBA, an Introduction. You can find the link to this in the video description. I hope that this video gave you an insight into the possibilities of automation with Outlook, VBA, and PowerShell. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.